Hello and welcome to this Zotero video tutorial. Zotero is a free, easy-to-use citation management program you can use to collect references, organize your sources, and make bibliographies. Let's begin. First, go to Zotero.org to download both the standalone Zotero app and the Zotero connector that works with your browser. These two programs work in tandem with one another. Once Zotero is successfully downloaded, open the program up and select which citation style you wish to use. You can click Preferences under Edit and choose from the list of citation styles available. If your preferred citation style does not show up, you can click Get Additional Styles, and you can search for the citation style that you want. If you have a topic in mind, you can create a folder in Zotero. Once you begin looking for sources, the sources can be saved to the appropriate file. You can add sources from a variety of places, including library catalogs, Amazon, and web pages. When you want to add a source, click the Zotero icon in the top right-hand corner. Let's go through an example together. If I search Dietrich von Hildebrand on the library catalog, I can add the following books to my Zotero folder. You may wish to add them all or just individual ones. Next, I can go to Amazon and add a source from here. Finally, I may want to add a web page. Now you'll notice that the bibliographic data is not complete. I'll need to manually add the information, including the author, and the date. To add a citation to a document, I'll need to have the source in my library. Then I can place my cursor where I want the source to go. Now I click Zotero and add edit citation. And I can type in the source that I want to add. There you have it. We hope you enjoy using Zotero.